Welcome to today's video. We're doing another day in the life. It's currently Friday, 9:40 a.m. Got here at 7, created a thumbnail, title, posted on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, uploading a full YouTube video right now to the Detail Group channel, and then we're about to head out to the job site because Lex, there's a truck and a sedan out there, but there's another car at 1 o'clock or like 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna go and get content, but also help them out. So sit back, relax, and just see what we do on a typical day. I'm gonna see how, I'll probably record all the way till like Saturday evening. I don't know. Anyways, welcome to this video. Sit back and watch the day in the life. All right, so I got my energy drink. I'm gonna lock up the shop. It's gonna take around 25 minutes to get there. I have my backpack with the other camera as well. We have a tripod. When I go to the job site, I just take some bare essentials. Like for here, since we're gonna be working on the exterior primarily, the only thing I'm taking is my wheel bucket, just because they only have one wheel bucket over there, and if I go, I wanna have my own brushes so I don't get in their way. If it was like an interior cleaning job, I'll take my interior bag. But there's no deep cleaning today, so I'll just go with the exterior, the wheel bucket. But other than that, the van has everything that we need. So right now I'm checking Jobber. I'm gonna click on it right here. I'm gonna press directions, and then boom, it says it is 30 minutes away. And we use Jobber for everything from scheduling customers, keeping track of the information, employees clocking in and out, sending invoices. So if you want to get a free 14-day trial plus 20% off your first 6 months, click the link down below, give it a try. But right now I'm gonna set the phone right here and we are off to go help them out. Alright, and we are on the job site. It's 10:30. We actually had a little bit of trouble finding the spot just because we didn't have the exact address. We had the right, it was 2 minutes away from where we were. But this neighborhood's a little weird because where we were just at, all the garages and stuff were on the back alleys, which you don't really see that around here. But we found them. They're still working on the mini interior, but that's about to be done relatively quick. So now let's go, and we'll probably be here for like 2 or 3 hours and then head back to the shop and just continue to work. Anyways, let's go and live life and detail some cars, right? Oh my God. Alright, so we are at like 3/4 done with this vehicle. We already knocked out the Mini. We're about to go to the actual application of the wax and then dress the tires, clean the glass and all that. We have this other Kia behind us that's getting the same service, the Mini interior and the wash and wax. Wow, see how quiet it is? That's why I don't really talk when we're working, because you have the generator, the pressure washer. If we're doing like an interior cleaning, you have the air compressor, the gun running, the drill gun, the vacuum. That's why it's very difficult to like actually talk in the video on the job site without like blowing out your ears. Pause. So now we gotta just keep on working. So going good. Day in life. Alright, stop. Try a little more, Oh, that's fine. Try a little more. I was gonna bring you one, but you didn't tell me. Damn. So that's why I didn't bring you one. That's like, dude, imagine, I just like, What they call cat?
Ready for the Alfa Romeo.
No, that's true. That's a good one. That's good.
What's the point of putting it back home?
Yeah, damn, you smart, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Start your own business.
Lex, I should, huh?
It's 1:30, wrapping up the last few things on the Alfa Romeo. The rain was a little sus for a little bit, but now it's all clear skies. So I think maybe like another 10-15 minutes here and we'll be done. Go back to the office and then we'll go get food. And then Lex and Angel have one more maintenance job after this. It's an easy one, but it's a little kind of opposite way of where we are right now.
Entonces ahorita estamos terminando el detallado. Ahorita nomás estoy dando los últimos toques al vidrio y al demás del carro. Ahorita yo y Lex vamos a ir a comer y luego después de ahí vamos a ir a otro vehículo de mantenimiento que hacemos todos los viernes y Oscar y Justin se van a ir para el shop.
Alright, so we got to the second job site. The plan that I wanted to do was I left early. I was like 15 minutes ahead of them. I was gonna go pass by food, give it to them here, and then I was gonna go back to the shop. But the amount of traffic that there was the entire way here was like crazy. I didn't want to exit anywhere because I feel like it was gonna take so long just to exit and get to where I wanted to get. So since we're already here, I'm gonna just help them like knock out the interior or something, and then I'm gonna head out, go get food, and then just wait for them at the shop. But yeah, I was supposed to be here for like maybe 5 minutes and then head out. But yeah, traffic just like absolutely murdered us today. So we're gonna knock out a quick maintenance wash and interior on a Urus. With this one, it's literally not in bad condition. We see it, he doesn't drive it that often. So gonna be a super easy maintenance detail. The loud noise you're hearing is from the AC unit. We just got back. We haven't had lunch yet. It's 4 o'clock, right? It's 4 o'clock.
4:15.
4, is it? Yeah. Oh damn, 4:15. So we're taking our lunch break right now. We're done for the day. Lex, we'll get to the calls. You know how many calls we have?
15 minimum.
Like around 15 calls and around like 10 emails.
Around.
Angel's gonna prep the van, clean the shop up a little bit after we're done eating. And then at 5:30 probably we'll start working out. Yeah.
Wait, are we
good, yeah.
Are we going?
Yeah.
We're going? Alrighty guys, we're about to get this workout in. Lex, what are we doing today?
I'm doing back buys.
Back by for 3 hours or?
Yeah, about 2.5.
See, Lex likes to do them really long extended workouts. He does like 10 different workouts, like 3 sets of each.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, so we're here till 7.
Yeah.
Alright. Oscar.
Oh, hey, you doing a vlog?
Yeah, we're doing a vlog.
Dude, what's up, everyone?
Yeah, so
hey,
we're actually about to hit the gym.
Is it on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hey guys.
Yeah, we're gonna start our own gym.
Bro, that's not even on me. It's kind of really. Yeah, I know it gets tiring, dude. It gets tiring.
Yeah, camera.
When I'm out there, bro, my hand's like this, dude.
Hey, how do vloggers do this, guys? Yeah, this is redonkulous.
Yeah, my hand's like this when I'm holding the camera.
Man, that's wild. All right, cool.
I'm gonna hit chest, shoulders, tries. Lex is hitting
Back buys.
back buys. Angel's hitting
Legs.
Angel's hitting legs allegedly.
Allegedly.
So yeah, this is a pretty routine thing at the end of the day. 5 o'clock. Sometimes Danny comes, sometimes Jan, sometimes Justin. So it just depends, but that's why we have the shop in the evening. It's always like, we always get to do a team thing without it being a team thing. And we all work out in the afternoon. It's always, it's fantastic. It's great to be able to always look forward to doing something as a team. Alright, so that didn't go as planned. I wanted to work out and like hit bench. And in my head, I'm like, alright, I'm gonna try to go for like 260, 265 for a top single. But Angel and I started hooping and that gassed me out. And then it was like 6 o'clock already. And it was getting too late. So I ended up not working out, just hooping. And tomorrow, I'll count this today as like my rest day as far as working out. So yeah, I don't really work out. It was just like cardio, and then I'm just packing up now and heading out. Good morning. It is the next day. I already passed by and ate my Chick-fil-A. You got Angel there in the background. Lex is about to get here. Today we have two customers. On Saturday we closed earlier. We were only open 9 to 2. So Saturdays are our short days, and then we're off Sunday and Monday. Man, look how they left the trash can. It's all like out here. It's very annoying. One thing I like to say is, like, just because it's a trash can doesn't mean it has to stink, right? So even though it is like a dumpster, we can still keep it organized and cleaned up and stuff, but you know, it is what it is. Anyways, we have two customers today. First one's a full interior cleaning and a premium wash, and another customer is dropping off some a carpet that he removed from the vehicle. So it's a pretty light day today.
What up, Lau?
So I don't know what happened, but the water thing was leaking. And I kind of figured, I think this one was the one that was leaking before, but I didn't realize that it was actually leaking out. I don't know if it was through the actual thing or something somewhere along the actual dispenser, but currently mopping everything up right now, so. Ew. Slimy, slimy. So here's the first car for the day. It is a Honda Civic for a full interior cleaning and a premium wash. It's kind of dirty. Lex, what's the update? What you got going on?
We're about to start pre-spraying and extracting all the floor mats and seats. There was a lot of debris in the vehicle. Just got done vacuuming, but it's already looking 10 times better.
And then Angel over here. Angel, how's life going?
It's pretty good.
That's good to hear, because we're just always busy over here. No, so this is pretty simple. Yeah, now they're gonna go to the extracting and then the plastics. And then I'm just in the office doing boring work.
Nothing.
And they're over here talking, having fun, listening to music. And I'm in the office by myself. Alright, so right now, just sending out an email. I posted on Dita Groove, TikTok and Instagram. I try to reply to some comments at random. Like, I'll open up TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and I'll go to the comment section, and I'll just try to fire off like dozens here and there just to try to like stay active. But it's just very difficult to try to respond to all of them. On top of that, trying to keep a conversation going in the comment section is also basically impossible. So anyways, yeah, right there, they're finishing up the interior, and Angel wants to go get food right now to take a quick break. We should be done like at 2 o'clock today, so yeah, typical Saturday. You ever go to some building and it's all empty and you're walking down the hallway or the bridge or whatever, and it kind of feels surreal because like there's no one around you, it's an empty room or empty hallway, whatever. It just kind of feels weird, but at the same time feels awkwardly soothing at the same time. That's how it feels when we come out here, specifically on a Saturday, and it's a nice day like today, and there's no other cars here except ours. I don't know, I couldn't explain to you why it feels peaceful or why it feels soothing or why it feels, it also feels motivating as well to just come out here and be like, hey, we're all by ourselves. Because I come out here, it's empty. Lex and Angel went to go drop off their vehicle somewhere, And it just kind of makes me think like, man, what if we owned like a shop or a lot as big as this whole thing? Again, nothing in particular, nothing specific, but it's like, what does that mean? What are the opportunities that creates? What are the possibilities from that? What changes? And it's just cool just to literally come out here and just, I'm literally just like this. And it's fantastic. It's so soothing. I don't know. So yeah, anyways, the two vehicles, well, the Civic was picked up, customer liked it, and then I didn't show you, but the customer dropped off the carpeting from their I forget what it was, but we took care of that as well, and they picked it up. Lex checked out the Civic, and then Angel, because Lex was checking out the Civic, Angel checked out the other vehicle, or the other customer. So that's all wrapped up. It's now 2 o'clock, and we're gonna start working out.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
And just finished a 1 mile run. That's gonna complete today. I had a top single of 255 on bench. So that's good, finally getting back to those higher numbers that I once was. With the PPF update, we ordered the pre-order for the film through Jason with Car Supplies Warehouse, their new PPF film called Optical. So still seeing what the next steps are with that, but that's gonna be, at least as of now, our PPF provider, just because, again, for any of you that are in PPF and are with like 3M or XPEL, what's up with like all the restrictions that they put on you, where like it has to go through them, it has to be like, there can't be another provider within like 5 miles. Like when I had that conversation with XPEL, it was so off-putting that I was like, bro, I'm not going with XPEL. And then we were looking at S-Tech as well, and when I was talking to them, they're like, hey, we won't give you information about it until you go get certified. And I'm like, what is up with all these constraints and like this gatekeeping in like with PPF? Like, if anyone has an answer, please let me know, because I was like baffled at like, dude, why is it so difficult just to get information? So anyways, that's going on with PPF. We already created the page on the website, so I can start ranking. Even though we're not offering it, we're gonna start marketing it. That way, in a few months, once we get things rolling, we're already a few steps ahead with the marketing. And then the Proper Care products, I'm finishing up one other product as far as what we're doing with it and such. But that'll be coming out in the next like 3 months or so. So anyways, that's gonna wrap it up. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.